Okay, this is page 4 of the review for Unit 7. We're going to find an equation in that form for the parabola described. So we're just going to pick out pieces for this. Okay, hkxy. So it's -1 minus a -3 is equal to a times 2 minus 4 squared. That's 2 is equal to a times 2 squared. So you get 2 is equal to 4a, or a is equal to 1/2. Now remember, they're asking us to write an equation, so it's y minus k is equal to a times x minus h squared, and that is your answer. The same thing here, hkxy. So I do 4 minus 5 is equal to a times 5 minus 4 squared. So I get -1 is equal to a times 1 squared, or -1 is equal to a. So I get y minus 5 is equal to -1 times x minus 4 squared. Okay. Okay, a little bit different information. Y-intercept means that x is equal to 0, so our point is 0, 2. Alright, so that's hk, that's xy. So I get 2 minus 5 is equal to a times 0 minus 3 squared. -3 is equal to a times 9. -1/3 is equal to a. Write your equation. Y minus 5 is equal to -1/3 times x minus 3 squared. Okay, x-intercepts means y is equal to 0, so your point is -1, 0. Again, we have vertex, which is hk, and then we have xy. Alright, so doing this, I've got y minus k is equal to a times x minus h. Okay, so we get -4, that's squared. -4 is equal to a times +2 squared, so -4 is equal to a times 4, or -1 is equal to a. Then write your equation. Y minus 4 is equal to x plus 3 squared. Alright, that's it for those problems. Now we want to find a quadratic equation with integer coefficients having the given roots. So do x minus, let's go, x equals 3, x equals 5, x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 5 is equal to 0, x minus 3 times x minus 5 is equal to 0, x squared, 4 let minus 3x minus 5x minus 8x plus 15 is equal to 0. There's that one. 18. X is equal to 2/3. X is equal to -4/3. So we get 3x equals 2. 3x equals -4. 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Multiply those together. Equals 0. FOIL 9x squared. Outside is 12x. Inside is -6x. That's plus 6x minus 8 is equal to 0. And that's your answer. That's it for page 4. I'll do page 5 coming up next.